Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off Android phone without power button. Right, so to turn it off it's easy. You can just go to the settings bar here. In most of the cases there's an option to turn it off. For example, if you're using an iPhone, right, so you will see an option to turn your phone right now off. But there's a different way. If you don't have a Samsung phone here, you can just open and go to your settings phone here and just go to the settings here, and here you can just write here turn off. Right now here you will see it in some cases. If you're having a different phone, here you will get this option of turn off automatically. Now here you can just turn it on, right? So this is regarding the power saving, but this is the only solution to do that, right? So actually there's a not much feature to turn off your phone directly. The first thing is that you have an option to turn your phone off, which is available in Samsung and some different companies phone. This another thing is that you need to remove your battery manually, right? So this is a two solution which helps, and there is this